Okay, they just got back to the pits. Now they rock it. They tear this thing down and put all new stuff now. Thank you. They are rocking. Just got done racing and he won. Justin took it. Again, this is Randy on the daily. Scag pit crew, changing out everything after the race. I need these guys on my vehicle. And they just took off. There you go. All new stuff is coming. Love that smell. Off fuel. Look at that. Gutted it already. Over there, slower. Sick. be a long video, but again, for anybody that's jumping in, this is the Phoenix Thunderbird Motorsports Park Raceway. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona with the Scag Racing Team. Family. Yep. How you doing, sir? So if anybody doesn't know, this just got back from a race, which Justin won, by the way, almost a full length ahead. And they're tearing down and putting all new stuff down. That's the process. That's what they do.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Good, Justin. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you're him.
Yeah.
That's him.
That's me. And you're Randy.
Yes, that's
yes.
me.
I hear a lot
I need to
of
get a
things about
signature
you.
from you when you get a chance.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, appreciate you, my brother. Thank you. This is dude, awesome.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
So that was Justin. That was the driver. That is awesome. He snuck up on me. I didn't even see him right there. All right, everyone. I wanted to get a little thing. I'm gonna go hang out with the driver and my family. I want to give you guys a heads up to see what's going on. This is Randy with On the Daily. Love you guys. Be safe.